Great land-based empires had existed before 1450 and even after 1750. However, between these years, several of history's greatest land-based empires reached their peak of wealth and influence. There were many land-based empires during this period. Among these were the Songhai in West Africa, the Safavids in Persia, the Mughals in northern India, the Ottomans in the Middle East, Eastern Europe, and North Africa, and the Manchus in Eastern Asia. They were multi-ethnic states that had direct political control over large regions and overland trade routes. There were many, as you can see by the map, all over the world. We have them rise over here in the Americas. Of course, right here's the Songhai Empire in West Africa. Right here, the Ottomans, one of the largest. The Manchu are going to spread south. And here are our Mughals right here. Even Russia is going to start to grow in size. And you can see how they're going to control those trade routes we just learned about. Since these empires measured their power in land, they frequently warred against neighbors over territory. The Manchus, who established the Qing dynasty in China in 1744, were very successful in this. By 1911, they had tripled the amount of land they controlled. Land-based empires during this time prospered by consolidating their power in a central government. They employed bureaucratic elites to enforce laws and military professionals to provide defense. To pay for the bureaucrats and soldiers, they collected tributes from weaker states and taxes from their citizens. To demonstrate their wealth and power, they constructed great palaces, religious buildings, and shrines. Land-based empires were often closely tied with particular religious faiths. As a result, political and religious conflicts were intertwined. In Europe, Roman Catholics and Protestants fought wars in which millions of people died. In Asia, the Safavids, who were Shia Muslim, and the Mughals, who were Sunni Muslim, were often at war. Many land-based empires began declining in power in the 18th century. The increasing importance of ethnic identities for individuals, ocean routes for trade, and the economic relationships among businesses undermined the unity and influence that land-based empires initially developed.